Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make soup for noodles. First, select a high-quality broth, such as chicken, beef, or vegetable as your base. This forms the core flavor of your soup. Next, enhance the broth by adding aromatics like minced garlic, grated ginger, and the white parts of green onions. Gently simmer this mixture for about 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the flavors to fully develop and infuse into the liquid. This simple step creates a wonderfully fragrant and delicious foundation for your noodle dish. Now let's add some substance to our soup. Introduce your favorite vegetables like sliced carrots, spinach, or bok choy, ensuring they cook until tender crisp. For protein, consider adding thinly sliced cooked chicken, shrimp, or firm tofu. These should be added towards the end of the cooking process, just long enough to heat through. This keeps your protein from becoming tough and your vegetables vibrant, adding both flavor and essential nutrients to your meal. It's time to perfect the flavor profile of your noodle soup. Season with a dash of soy sauce, a few drops of sesame oil, or a pinch of white pepper to enhance the taste. Always adjust seasonings gradually, tasting as you go, to achieve your desired balance of saltiness and umami. Finally, elevate your bowl with garnishes like fresh cilantro, chopped green onions, a drizzle of chili oil, or even a perfectly soft-boiled egg. These finishing touches truly make the soup shine. The final step is preparing your noodles. Always cook your noodles separately in boiling water according to their package instructions. This prevents them from absorbing too much broth and becoming mushy. Once cooked, drain them and add them directly to your serving bowls. Then, ladle the hot, flavorful soup over the noodles. For easy meal prep, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers, along with other great deals. Enjoy your homemade, delicious noodle soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.